You're the chef. What are you cooking for the baby? What are you going to cook?
Very hot.
It's very hot? Okay, you have to mix it. Okay, good job. What is that? Cheese and
Donut.
donut?
We're
You
going
cook.
to wash this.
You have to wash the dish. Okay.
We're going to wash it.
You're going to wash it. Okay.
Where did the door open?
I don't know. To open it. Open. Good job. Okay. The baby's hungry. Are you hungry, baby? Yes, the baby's very hungry. Yeah, the baby's very hungry. Okay.
For the mouse.
That's for the mouse? The cheese? Okay. Okay. And what is that one? It's like a bread, no? A piece of bread?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know what it is. No, it's a cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
Yeah, I think so. What do you think?
Baby.
This is for the baby. The baby's hungry. Oh, nom, nom, nom. Are you hungry, baby? The baby's hungry. Oh, good job. What else are you going to cook?
So cook this and
What is that?
this one I can cook.
Oh, nice.
I forgot to cook happy.
Okay, very good.
Why I can cook?
What is that?
Why I can cook?
This one. You're cooking over here on the fire. Okay.
There's nothing else.
Nothing else?
How about this?
Okay.
I can cook this.
Mm-hmm.
I can cook this.
Mm-hmm.
I need to open.
It's just pretend. So you pretend like you're throwing it on it. Good job. And then you,
Strawberry.
yeah. That's gonna be yummy.
And the baby told me.
Yeah, the baby's hungry. Are you hungry, baby? Yes, the baby's hungry. Mix it. Good job. Don't touch it. It's hot. Be careful. It's very hot.
Why did the pig, Mama?
Okay.
Why did it work?
It's working. Look, we have ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah. What else do we have?
We have
The car is on the stove. That's so dangerous. We don't put the car. Oh, this is for cupcake. Are you gonna make cupcakes?
we need the cupcake.
This is the cupcake.
We can have this one.
And what is that one?
This is for the cow.
Oh, it's like milk?
Yes, this is for the cow.
Oh, okay.
It's that pink can.
Okay.
This is for the cow for milk.
Oh.
It's for the baby to drink milk. For the cow, it drink milk.
Okay. So what should we do with that?
We can make milk with this one.
Okay.
We can make it.
So can you mix it? We can mix it in this one.
We can have the milk.
Okay, so milk.
And we have
Okay.
it's very hot.
It's very hot. Okay, we have to be careful. Okay. Turn it on. Yeah, that one it's cold. It's okay? It's good. Okay.
Can we have that tea, Mommy?
Yeah, I would like to have some tea. Let me see if I can get a cup. Oh, look, I found a cup. Can you give me some tea, please? Thank you. It's hot. Be careful.
Now we got to warm it up.
We have to warm it up in the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay, let's warm it up in the microwave. Oh, there's another baby. Oh. How many? How many seconds? How many? Hi, baby. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, Mama. What did it say? Oh, that is so cute. What did it say? Mama. It's hungry. Maybe it wants some tea. Are you going to give the baby some tea? Be careful. If it's too hot, it's going to burn the baby. You're going to give it the baby. Oh, Mama. Okay. Is it baby? Mama. Let me get a picture. Oh, mama. Good job. What is that? No, that's for the dish. We're going to wash the dishes. That's the dishwasher. Oh, where are the dishes? They're all clean. Okay, we have to find the dish.
It's the caterpillar.
That's a caterpillar. Let me see. Let me see the caterpillar more. Ooh, it's wiggly. Look at the eyes. Oh, look at the caterpillar eyes. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh no, it's gonna get dizzy. It's gonna get really dizzy. You have to do it like this, and you make it walk like slowly. Yo, ding, 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 ding. What does a caterpillar eat? You're gonna make the baby play with the caterpillar?
Show you.
Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Mama. What did it say? What did it
Tell
say?
me again.
It's crying again? Maybe it's hungry. What are we gonna do? We have to give it some milk. It needs some milk. Some ice cream? Okay. Nom nom nom. Okay.
Please show you.
Okay. Nom, 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 nom. Give the baby some ice cream. Not too cold. Slowly. Mama. Oh. Mama. You like it. Oh.
Tell me again.
It's hungry again? It's always hungry. Can we give it something else? Maybe some milk and cheese. Yeah. Maybe some cheese. Nothing else? Uh-oh. We need to go to the supermarket to buy some groceries. Oh. No, not over there. Come on. Only here. Only over here. I really likes it. Dun, 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 dun. Can you do it? Say do re mi fa sol, do re mi fa sol la ti do, do re fa sol, do re mi fa sol, do re mi fa sol, do re mi fa sol. Eh. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, you're good, Mama. You know how to play the xylophone. Do re mi fa sol, do re mi fa sol. Dun, 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 dun. Good job. And what are these? Maracas.
Mommy.
What is that? I don't know. Can I see? This is... I don't know. Look. Hi. Hello. Look. Ding, 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 ding. What about this one? Ding, 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 ding. Okay, look. I found a cupcake. Oh. We can give the baby the cupcake to eat. Dun, 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 dun. What is that? Maybe it's broken. Oh no. Let's try. Uh-oh. That one, but this, the hippo is broken. It's okay, but we can do this on the pop. Pop. It didn't work? Pop. Oh no. One more time. Pop. Pop it up. Pop. Yeah, it worked. That is so cool. Hey, look. What is this?
Like that, Mommy.
The baby's crying. Uh-oh. It's okay. Don't be sad. What's this? Look. What is this?
The bed. The ice cream.
Oh, you shake it. Oh, this is so nice. I love. Do re mi fa sol. Do re mi fa sol. Do re mi fa sol. Ding 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 dong. Ding 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 dong.
No,
No?
that's xylophone.
Okay. Ding ding dong. Do re mi fa sol ti do. I like this one. I like it. It's shaky. I like it. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. And this is, what is this? What is that?
This is the school
It's
bus.
a school bus. Where are the students?
It's gone.
Oh, look what I found. A tambourine. Oh. That's a tambourine. Look, you play it like this. You have to hit like this. Turn your hands over. No, the other way. Like this. No. Hit. Exactly. And that's how you play it. Good job. Awesome. It's a cell phone? Hello. Hello. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, now, what do you think? We're supposed to clean up. We're going to put them back in the box. We have to put them back. Okay, so time to clean up inside. We put it inside. No, the big one now. Only these ones. We put them back in the box. No, the school bus, only the small ones inside. And then we close it like this. Voila, c'est fini.